Because at the end of the day, as long as there are 2 people left on the planet, someone is going to want someone dead. Ooh. Dad, I'm not a crazy gunman, Dad. I'm an assassin. Well, the difference between one a job and the other one's a mental sickness. I'll be honest with you. My parents do not care for it. I think his mate saw me. Yes, yes he did. Feelings? Look, mate. You know who has a lot of feelings? Blokes who bludgeon their wives to death with a gold trophy. Professionals have standards. Be polite. Be efficient. Have a plan to kill everyone you meet. Dad, Dad, put Mo on the phone. That's the meet the sniper.